company for the past 10 years. Local and international expansion. We have company-owned branches in the Philippines and BCOs nationwide. We have company-owned branches in Cebu, in Davao, in Quezon, in Baguio, in Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija, in Calao, in Las Piñas, and we're coming up with more branches. This coming year, like the one in Iloilo, is going to become an own branch. We have around 130 BCOs nationwide. We have offices in other countries, Taiwan, Singapore, Brunei, Kuwait, UAE, in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, in Nigeria, in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, Onitsha, and Kano, in Ghana, in Togo, in Kenya, in Uganda, and this past few days at least we just opened 4 countries. Everybody say 4. We just opened Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Ivory Coast, and Cameroon. Launch of innovative product lines. We have launched from food supplement to healthy beverages to cosmeceuticals to online products like our AIM World, the Fairlink, the Hypertech Home, and Hypertech 24/7. What else? What else are the achievements of the company? Creation of 3 million distributors worldwide. Are you proud of this? That from the Philippines, we've grown over a decade for 3 million. Okay, not only in the Philippines, not only in Asia, not only in the Middle East, but in Africa as well. So in these 3 continents, we're growing so fast. Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Because of this million distributors worldwide, we also created millionaires and multi-millionaires. And it's our goal to empower you with skills, with knowledge, and how to have a breakthrough in your life so that one day you can achieve the goals that you've set, you can achieve the dreams that you've set for the past few months, for the past few years. And that is our goal, to mentor you. That's why we have this team. The board of directors, the vice president, the marketing team, your uplines to support and mentor your group towards your goal. Next, we also achieve a lot of awards and recognitions, not only from local but international bodies. And also the erection of our AIM beverage manufacturing facility in Guiguinto, Bulacan. As of we speak today, it's around 90 to 95% finished. I can plan for so many things. Dream of bigger dreams because the company is growing strong. Because the company is moving forward. Because the company has a lot of dreams that we have to accomplish with each and every one of you. Now our goal is to have 3 B's. Bigger, better, bolder. Everybody say bigger. Everybody say better. Everybody say bolder. Our goal with the new marketing plan, we intend to increase our income by 30 to 50% more with the binary, with the Unilevel, and with the third step. Starting January 15, 2017, we will dream bigger. We will become bolder. And we will dare to become better. Within the next coming days, you will hear from your uplines the details of the new marketing plan and how you can earn 30 to 50% more with the binary, with the Unilevel, and the stir step. So always get in touch with your uplines. What will happen for the next 10 years? This is the vision of the company. When each and every one of this unfolds, either one by one or all at the same time. This can happen next year, within the next 2 to 3 years, but definitely within the next 10 years it will happen. Are you excited? Our goal over the next 10 years is to come up with an entrepreneurship university. We want to professionalize the industry. That there will come a time, network marketing and direct sales will become as a course certified by this university. This will be open not only for AIM Global distributors. This will open to the public, Our goal over the 10 years is to come up
Our own in hotel.
over the next couple of years. It may happen within the next 2 years. Our goal is to come up with a real estate division of the company. The next 10 years, it can happen next or within a couple of years next. Our goal is to offer 8 franchise opportunities. Coming up with a freshly brewed Livet coffee next. Our goal within the next couple of years is to offer investment opportunities. Watch out for that because we're studying the legalities of this here in the Philippines. In U.S. platform, wherein people can also invest, making them earn a certain percentage better than what the bank can offer. Are you excited for this? Again, our goal is to create breakthroughs. The company has undergone through series of breakthroughs from day one with your group. Focus on your group. Give them the vision of the company. Give them your vision as an upline. Give them your vision of the founder of your organization. So that they could see one day they can be bigger. One day they can be bolder. One day they can be better than who and what they are right now. Do you want to become bigger? Do you want to have better dreams? Do you want to have bolder organization? I would like to leave you with these 3 words. Dream big dreams. Dream big dreams. This 2017, I pray to God that each and every one of you this next year will have a bigger and bolder and better dreams. We have a bigger, better, bolder organization to accomplish. I pray to God that all of us will have a peaceful new year, a healthy new year, so that all of us can achieve our dreams once again this coming new year. Happy New Year!